At this point, I really genuinely believe that Donald Trump's lawyers simply cannot help themselves. They don't know, clearly, based on what we've seen from them in previous trials and based on what we're seeing from them with the upcoming criminal trial that starts on March 25th, his lawyers don't know how to make an actual legal argument. All they know how to do is attack the prosecutors, attack the judges, attack the media, attack everybody they don't like. And that's what they're putting in their legal filings, which of course is why most of the time, the vast majority of the time, their motions get struck down by judges. And this week, of course, is no exception, because Donald Trump's lawyers decided to submit a filing this week to the judge overseeing the upcoming criminal trial, where instead of making actual legal arguments, they spent most of the filing simply trashing Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who is prosecuting the case. Listen to this. Listen to what these idiots put in this filing. The people must attempt to try the case they charge, not the case that the district attorney fantasized about when he was on the campaign trail. The case the people charged is a lawless 34-count indictment relating to record entries reflecting monthly retainer payments President Trump made to his personal attorney Michael Cohen in 2017. The people's motions in Lamaim, on the other hand, describe a fantasy, an uncharged underlying conspiracy to influence the 2016 election that the district attorney wishes President Trump had not won. So what his lawyers are saying is, hey, this guy's trying to put a fantasy on trial. He's mad that Trump won the election in 2016. He campaigned on this. He's being a child about it. You say in your whiny little legal filing, these are not what I just read to you. That's what's in the filing. Supposed to be a legal filing. These aren't legal arguments. Yes, they threw in the one legal phrase like in limine, but that's it. Which basically means in Latin, at the threshold. Anyway, there's no other legal language in there. There's nothing that we have to decipher. We don't have to go translate the legalese. We don't have to look at their arguments. We don't have to check the court precedents that they cited because they didn't do it. All they know how to do is say, like, we don't like this guy. So that's what they basically said in their legal filing. I'm surprised that the last page wasn't just a drawing of a middle finger, because that is essentially what they're doing. And I love it because every time they do this, it comes back to bite them in the butt. I mean, look at Alina Habba this past week. She's got to beg Judge Kaplan, who she has trashed for months, begging him, please show us some mercy. Please be easy on my client. You spent months attacking the credibility of this guy, and now you're having to beg him for favors that, of course, you didn't get. Do you not understand how this works yet? Are you not smart enough to connect these dots? You're eventually going to have to beg and plead to Alvin Bragg for leniency. And when it comes time for that, he's going to remember how you called these claims fantastical, mythical, and accused him of playing politics. You've pissed him off for months now, and eventually you're going to need him to do you a favor, and I'm willing to bet that ain't going to happen. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.